Hello everyone. So let's continue. For the last section, we have talking about how to use the box plot to see the range for your variables. Okay, so for this section, I would like to use the histogram. In Chinese, we call 直方图, the distribution for your data. Okay, so we uncheck all the box plot. Okay, so let me to use the credit risk as our group byte, because we always to compare with the credit risk, because there are two types, right? One or two. Okay, so let me choose the age. Okay, so age, so I see the histogram for the age. When you done the choice, so you execute your functions. Okay, so let me run the diagrams. So you see the distribution for the two categories, which is the red, the pink one is the category 1. The green one is category 2 of credit risk. So you see the distribution for these two types. So here you may see the age distribution for your credit risk. So you may see all the ages are less than the majority, the most part of your customers are less than 40 years old. But some of your customers are older than 60. So you may see the distribution for the age. Okay, so let us to don't use the group to see all the distribution for the age. Okay, here you may see the distribution for your age. So what is the peak for the age? So here is 20, maybe it's 27. So the majority of your observation for your clients is the age is 27. Okay, it's all the variables. So you may see the rest category for your data you can exploit. You may see the duration. Okay, so let us. So it's very easier for you guys to know the distribution for each variables, especially for numerical 数值型的变数. So here you can see the duration distribution for your duration. Okay, the credit amount. So the credit amount is maybe only here is 2,000. Okay, the majority is 2,000. None of the then is more than 15,000. Okay, so you can see the distribution for each variables. So I think the rattle is a very good tool for you guys to have some visualization for your data. Okay, so what about for the category variables? Category variables, you may use the pairs too. If I want to use the pairs with the age, one is numerical, one is a category. So you may see the pairs for these two variables. Can it work? No? So for this one, my suggestion is you may choose 1 kilobyte. Can it work? Okay, so when you use the category with the variable, with the numericals, you have to choose the kilobyte. So here you can see the distributions for the age and the purpose, right? Different purpose. So you may see the box plot. For this one is box plot, right? So here is the box. We call the 长条图 box plot. So you can see the distribution for each purpose, long purpose, 贷款的目的. So it's a very good tool to have idea for your data. Okay, so you may to choose the housing. What about housing? If you choose two category with one numerical ages, so you may see a different distribution, more complicated diagram. But in this diagram, they have what here we call histogram. This one we call box plot. This we call bar plot. This one is mosaic, the distribution for categories. Okay, so it's your turn to try the different variables with category variables. Okay, so let me try all the variables. Does it work? Maybe it takes more time to execute the functions. I don't know how long does it take to have the result for the diagram for so many variables. Okay, so let us wait. So my computer is i7. The RAM is 16. Okay, so it's right now is still running. So you may see there are 21 variables. Each variable has 1,000 observations. So I left the homework for you to, if your computer can do this diagram, to draw this diagram. Okay, bye bye. Oh, the result is coming. Hold on a second. I hope it can work. Okay, so you see the result. It may take you 1 or 2 minutes. So let me run the result. So it depends how efficient is your computer. So, okay, so we can see this diagram for all the variables, the distributions. Okay? Okay, see you guys for the next section.